So welcome to another video. In this video, as part of our Microsoft tutorial series, we're going to see how to create a cover page in Microsoft Word. So here in this tab, the various tabs here, you click to insert the cover page. Just click insert. Then the last you see cover page here, click cover page. Then you have different templates for cover page here. Then select one of it. Then you replace the default text with images. You can just add document title here. Let's just put this. Let's enlarge it. And you can put a subtitle here. A little bit of abstract can be here, depending on how you want the subtitle. You can add the subtitle here. Then, so these are you can add a cover page. And when you are done, you click on File, click on Save As, and choose your location where you want the file to be. And call it just add. Then click Save. So that's how you can add a cover page to a Microsoft document. So thank you for watching.